Hi guys, in this lecture you will be learning the string. So first of all, what is the string? The string is just a text, like this is the text connect to your task. So this is the string, and in the previous lecture you have learned how to save the numbers, characters in the variables, but you have not learned how to save the string in a variable. So first of all, here I'm gonna create a variable of data type string. Here I'm gonna write the string with the uppercase S. This is the data type, and here is the variable txt. You can write any name of this variable, and then equal, and then double quotes, and then semicolon to end the instruction. So now in between these double quotes we are able to write any text. Here I'm gonna write my name is Fahad. So this is the way of writing the string, and this string data type is the class with the uppercase S, and you know what is the class. So this string is the class, and you know what is the class. So now I'm gonna print this string. Here write sysout and press control space, and here write txt. So now the string is printed on the screen. Here is my name is Fahad is printed, and now here I'm gonna create another variable to give the second string. Here is txt2, and now here I'm gonna remove this is Fahad, and here is the special character. You can write any type of text. You can write digit in this text, special characters. So now I'm gonna print this. Here is the txt2, and now let's execute it, and here is the second string. And here I want to tell you another thing, that is how to combine these two separate strings. There are two methods. Copy this text and paste in the first string, but there is another method to connect these two strings. So here I'm gonna create another third string, link and equal to txt plus txt2. So this statement link the first string with the second string. So this is the way of concatenating the string. This is called concatenation, and we use the plus sign to concatenate the string. And now here I'm gonna remove these statements. Here I'm gonna write link, and now execute it. So here you see that both of these strings are printed. So this is the way of linking the string, but there is another way we use to connect the string. What is the way? Here I'm gonna remove this, and you can directly copy this text and paste it here. I'm gonna write double quotes, and here is the text, and after the double quotes you have to write the plus to concatenate the text. And here I'm gonna copy this text, and here is the text. So now let's execute it, and here is the text. So this is the way of concatenating the text. And now here I want to tell you another thing, how to concatenate the string with the variable. Here I'm gonna create a variable of integer type. Here is the num, and it contains the value 9. And now here I'm gonna create a sysout statement, and now here I'm gonna write the first string, then plus, and then the variable name none. So let's see what happened. So here you see that the my name is Fahad and 9 is printed. This is the output, my name is Fahad and 9. So this is the way of concatenating the string with the number, and you can also write the text directly like this. So let's check it. So here it is still working. So this is the way how to handle the string, how to create the string to store the text. If